Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto chicken salad. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 2 cups of cooked and shredded chicken. So this is just a rotisserie chicken we bought from the grocery store, and I put some spices on it and we ate it last night, and this was what was left over. Then we have 2 boiled eggs chopped. Then we have 1/4 cup of chopped dill pickles. I just got 1 kosher dill pickle spear, and I just chopped that up. It just took 1 and maybe a little bit of another one. And then we need 1/4 cup of minced yellow onion, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard, a teaspoon of white distilled vinegar, and then just salt and pepper to taste. So it's pretty easy. So we are going to put everything in a bowl except for the salt and pepper and the chicken and just mix it all together. Alright, I have everything nice and mixed here, so now we are just going to add our chicken and just stir it so it's all nice and combined, and then taste it and add some salt and pepper. Alright guys, that is really good. I just took a little taste and it was so yummy. So now you can just go ahead and refrigerate that for about an hour before you serve it for the best flavor. I'm just going to put mine on some keto bread, or you could cut up cucumbers, or of course if you're not keto you could use regular bread, crackers, whatever you want. So we will refrigerate this and see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey Taste Tester!
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, nothing more. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye!